Hi, this is Kenny Ingram. I'm making this video to kind of introduce to you the difference between having your own website, selling your own products, and making money with your own website as compared to being involved with an affiliate website. First of all, in order to be online, you have to register a domain and get it hosted. You can find a number of different people that can register or host, but GoDaddy is one of the biggest, and you actually search for your domain and see if it's actually available. So we're searching for myaffiliatebusinessonline.com as an example, and it'll come up and tell us whether it's registered or not, or if it's available. And My Affiliate Business Online is available, $11.99 a year. You can purchase 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, but that's just registration. And then you have to have somebody to host it, which GoDaddy does as well. And then you would actually be set up for affiliate marketing then, because you could use your own website and redirect your affiliate link to the sales page. And that's all done for you already by the affiliate company. An example of that is one that we're involved with. It's called Legendary Marketing. So we have our domain set up, and we actually would redirect to this lead capture page. And when people click on Get Instant Access, they enter their name and email address, and they're entered into an autoresponder that Legendary Marketer hosts as well. So as far as getting set up, they take care of everything. They have the websites that you need to promote. They have the autoresponder. They take care of the products. They take care of customer service. They take care of billing. They take care of payments. They take care of everything. If you have your own website, then you would actually have to install like a WordPress or get e-commerce installed. Let me show you the back office of a WordPress. Here's the back office of a WordPress site, and you got different posts, you got different pages. Your appearance, you'd have to either get a free theme or purchase a theme. You got a whole bunch of plugins that you would use to do stuff with, as far as what your website is going to do. And if you're not familiar with WordPress, this could be a daunting task for you, and you always have to keep up with it. You have to keep it updated, active with the latest plugins and stuff like that. We actually use a service called Builderall, and Builderall is a digital marketing platform that allows you to do just about anything. They have drag and drop website builders where you can actually create your website from there. And if you want to build your own list, you'll have to get a service, either Aweber or GetResponse, or a service that we use is SendShark, because they actually give you 50,000 subscribers for $25 a month. Totally awesome. So we use Legendary Marketer, but we already have our website set up and our autoresponder set up. So we just redirect our affiliate link to the appropriate landing page and input all our leads into our autoresponder, and they get sent emails throughout the process of however many we've got loaded, which right now is 126. And they'll be getting emails from us until they either join Legendary Marketer or unsubscribe. So I'm kind of trying to give you an idea that you can either join Legendary Marketer and have them support the landing page, have them take care of the autoresponder, and all you have to do is promote your link. They have a 15-day challenge where they introduce to you landing pages. ClickFunnels is a service they recommend, and then Aweber, they recommend that for the autoresponder, so that you can set up your own business that way, or you can just log in as an affiliate and promote your link to get to the page that you'll be getting your leads, and this page right here. So I invite you to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of new videos. So click the like button as well. We look forward to answering any questions you have, and hope that you will contact us, and look forward to helping you build an online business.